Hello guys, back in a new video. Today's video is about nature. This place has loads of stuff. Creepy stuff and a lot more. Please like and subscribe and I'll see you in the video. Hello, today we're in the nature.
Here, there are no limits. This is life on the edge.
In a brand new season, Discovery Channel.
We're at Rushmere Country Park. These are the things that we can find. There's something here, I don't really know what it is, but I think someone put it there. So the bench is made out of wood. I have never seen one of a trees this big. Oh, this is slippery. Who knows how old this tree is? Imagine if there's a snake in there. Damn. It's like something might be living in there, like snakes, maybe even ants or something like that. Like small things. Wow. Wow. These are probably real people. It's a bit creepy. I'm gonna get possessed. Oh yeah. Massive chair. This is some kind of bench thingy, probably, and it has loads of things on it, like horses, bikes. It's about what's in this park. Camping, mouses, lizards, everything.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Welcome to Jurassic Park. It looks creepy. I'm gonna get possessed. Oh! I just saw a tiny squirrel. It's so tiny. See, look how tiny that is. It's a baby squirrel. Wow, that's a tiny squirrel. Oh, it's down there. Look down. Look at this. Oh yeah. What are you doing, bruv? Where have you fallen in the water? In the middle of the nature, a big lake. This lake is disgusting. I don't even know if it's a lake or the water. It just pooed. The bird just pooed in the water. Holy man. I want to go inside, yeah. I want to go inside, but I can't. All of them are coming here because of the sound. Look at that big bird over there. I forgot the name of it. It's a tall one. I need bread, but I don't have bread. I'm gonna throw it to him. He ate it, he ate it. Yay! Don't you dare bite me. Oh yeah, more. You want more? There you go. They make the sound. They're so cool. I'm gonna give some food to the small ducks. He's eating it like. Hey, hey! Don't do that. You want one? Then don't do that. Epic. They're fighting for the food. I think they're making angry noises. God. I'm scared it's gonna pinch me or something. This is so cool. I wish I had loads of bread. We have more. I wanna do this, but I'm scared it's gonna pinch me or something. They're so hungry. I'm scared. Here you go. I want to give one to that baby black duck. Wow. Yeah, but look at those two black ducks. The black ducks. I want to give some to them. I'm going to try to stroke it. Hey, let me... Hey! Nah, they're not going to let go until they bear my finger off. Baby black ducks. Oh! You hear that? That was the black duck.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was black duck. I even saw it. We got so scared. Like two just ducks, like dogs, came barking like, oh my god. I thought they were gonna bite us. They were gonna scare the ducks away. The swans are following us. They're still looking for food. The one of them is going back. Let's see if we're still there. Because there's other people there, so they might think it's... Oh, look at that! Where are you? It flapped its wings. No, it flapped its wings. Yeah, it was like this. That squirrel just done like... Look at that black fishy. It's coming here. Oh, where? Oh yeah. This one there. There's even fishes here. Well, this is to remember people because they died. They might have built this place or might have been here. Shows what kind of ducks are here. And there's ducks over there. Wow, so many ducks. Sometimes the fishes come up because of the ducks. You can't see the fish, but you can see the waves. Look, bro, that small duck is like, oh my god, the mallard. We've seen those, yeah. This is the coot. I thought this was the mother of these two because they were small of these. I actually thought, I don't think we've seen these, but we've seen these. Black duck with the red beak always does this. When it goes forward, it goes. The one of the black ducks just came up. Their feet are big. That one over there came up here. They literally just flew down and were like, look at it, it's putting its head under the water. Like the body turns upwards. And the whole body turns, look, the duck's here. Over there, look how many ducks. Even the black ones. Now they go, the red one! The red one! The red one's there. The one that we didn't see. The red one was there that we saw over there, the red small one. I just saw the red one. See, it's colourful than the other ducks. there's a big, oh my God, that was the red duck. It was the red one, see? Oh my God, there's two big buff ducks over there. That was them. The red ones are so cool. The red ones look, oh, did you see the blue one? Oh, the red one is super cool. And it's so colourful. They got cut down or they did it on purpose. Look, it looks so smooth. So I think they did it on purpose. Even this is. The reason it's so smooth is people climb up there and they slide down. But it's super dangerous because here, they could literally just get stuck in there. And they're super bad injuries. Or even end. This place over there is super plain, but super decorated at the same time. Like you can even camp here. It's so cool here, literally so cool. Massive hole there. Massive hole there, look, the tree came down. Massive. How could this have happened? People might have done it, or from wind. Like, it would be super hard too. Even there, wow. This place is so weird. It's so cool. This place is so cool. When you scream, the sound is so cool. Ah! So cool.
I'm fast, boy.
In the old times, this place was super beautiful and stuff, and the boats came here so they can put it. There might have been more people too, but now it's not that. So this is how the place looked. And look how it looks now. Heather in our resorted Heathland. That makes no sense. None understand, no English, none understand. This place is cool, super cool, but not cool at the same time. But it's more cool. It's super big. You can explore loads of stuff and like there's so much things to explore. It's so cool. I just seen a small spider that I have never seen before. It's so cool. I'm in the middle of nowhere. I don't know where I am. I actually do though. But this place, look, it's like you're lost, literally. No person, so quiet, everything. It kind of makes it better though. There's just a random bench there, standing like that. What is that bench for? Sheeps? That's so random. It's so creepy. It might be for ghosts. Ooh. Is that bench? It might be for ghosts. And it's in front of a tree, so no one knows. It tells you where you go. It should be everywhere, because people can get lost here so easily. No cap. No cap. We came back to Jurassic World. No. I'm gonna catch my mum because I'm a dinosaur. I'm a dinosaur. This is how nature is. Even sometimes it makes tunnels by itself for animals. Hey, I just saw a massive bird. This place it might be full of poo-poo. It's not because I'm scared.